Unlock the power to create web applications that feel like native mobile apps right in your browser with Next.js and the magic of progressive web apps. First, we'll dive into the core concept of a PWA, understanding how it bridges the gap between websites and native applications, offering features like offline functionality and installability directly from the browser. Our journey begins with setting up a Next.js project, the foundation for our modern web experience, and then we'll meticulously integrate the essential PWA manifests. The heart of our PWA lies in the service worker, a JavaScript file that acts as a proxy, enabling incredible features like caching assets for offline access and intercepting network requests. We'll configure the service worker to cache essential files, ensuring your application remains accessible and snappy even without an internet connection. Next, we'll focus on optimizing asset delivery and implementing dynamic caching strategies to guarantee lightning-fast load times for an exceptional user experience. We'll ensure your PWA is installable, allowing users to add it directly to their device's home screen, just like a native app, providing quick and convenient access. Finally, we'll explore best practices for testing and debugging your PWA, confirming its reliability and smooth performance across various devices and network conditions.